with Chef Edison and Ability Panya, Chef for tonight. Whether you like it or not. Before we start doing, let's have a short Japanese exercise or what we call Japanese routine. Hop!
Okay.
Uy, pasikat. Good, how about behind the scene?
Good.
Japanese electric fan by Hanabishi.
Wow.
Meng. How about reverse? Behind the scene again? Wapa. Another one?
Ayos ah.
Wapa. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nyek. Si birthday boy.
Hey, happy birthday po! Panicon 911 because this grill is on fire! One more! Wait, one more!
Eh.
Or drinks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I believe I can fly. Kiss pa nga sir, isa, happy birthday. Yan o, happy birthday sir. Ano mo siya technique? 1, 2, 3!
Wow.
So pepper from Dolomite Beach. So low sodium salt and high sodium. Okay.
Yay!
Coca-Cola. Umaga nakita mo si neighbor kapon. Ka ng pinto. Hi gozaimasu. Sa imong tanan. That's how you cook fried rice with style. Hoy! Luto natin yung ulam, baka nagugutom na sila mo. Bawi, chef, bawi. Chef. Sir Kuko. Gusto mo? Try mo ma'am, dali. Try mo. Ganun mo lang sa pagkain. So, ito po si beef roll. Makita nyo, thin slices, di ba? Parang bacon. One more thing, kaya siya hindi pwedeng i-overcook. Baka kanin na lang ulang dyan, tsaka itlog. Bacon na. Gusto nyo mapanood yung sinushoot natin ng video ngayon, pwede nyo i-search sa TikTok. Just type your chef for today. May logo na ako doon. Nag-promote pa ng content. Type more garlic. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed